Hello, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim and today I'm going to guide you through a healthy version of pizza. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. I am a 200-hour certified yoga instructor as well as a Tai Chi instructor and nutrition coach. So the first thing I always ask whenever I start health coaching a client is, one, what is your number one goal? Oftentimes I hear things like, I want to lose weight, but I still want to eat foods I enjoy. Or I want to have more vitality and energy so I can function best in my work life and in my personal life. So the second question I often ask when I'm health coaching a client is, what is your favorite food? And the two common answers are spaghetti and meatballs and pizza. So today I'm going to show you a healthier version of pizza to show how you can still eat the foods you enjoy with a healthier spin. So all you need for this simple recipe is crust. Now this crust is gluten-free. So this crust is made with almond flour and cassava flour, coconut milk, lemon juice, sea salt, apple cider vinegar, and honey. So the brand is Capilos, and it has 4 grams of protein in it. So this is the gluten-free crust I'm going to use. This is the vegan cheese I'm going to use today. This is mostly coconut oil and won't cause any lactose issues if you're lactose intolerant like I am. Next, kale. That's right, I encourage you to put kale on your pizza. Then peppers. So today we have red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers, and I've chopped them up. And next, olives. Now, if you're not a vegan and you like to have a little meat on your pizza, I recommend ground turkey or ground chicken, all organic. So these are all organic ingredients. And last but not least, tomato sauce. This is organic tomato puree. So today I'm going to make one pizza that's vegan and another pizza that has turkey. While the oven is preheating to 425, I am going to put all the toppings on the pizza before I put them in the oven. This gluten-free based pizza is suitable for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, reducing digestive discomfort and inflammation. This kale is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, providing antioxidants that support immune function, skin health, and bone strength. High in fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting heart health. Peppers are a great source of vitamin C, boosting the immune system and promoting skin health. Peppers also have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Olives provide healthy monounsaturated fats, which are good for heart health. Olives contain antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Ground turkey is a lean source of protein, supporting muscle growth and repair. This ground turkey contains vitamins and minerals like B vitamins, selenium, supporting metabolism and immune function. Mushrooms are rich in B vitamins, which support energy production and brain function. These mushrooms contain selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Overall, this pizza is nutrient dense, offering a balance of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and lean protein, making it a healthier option compared to traditional pizzas. And there you have it. So I'm going to taste my vegan pizza, and I'm going to give this pizza with a little bit of ground turkey to my yoga student who is filming me right now. So let's see what it tastes like. So this is the recipe I often recommend for my students who are vegan and gluten-free and dairy-free. This is also low FODMAP. So if you have digestive issues, eating a low FODMAP diet can be really, really helpful. If you have any imbalance in your microbiome, eating a pizza like this will align with a low FODMAP diet. Okay, here it goes. Delicious and nutritious. Now as you bite into your pizza, I want you to dig deep and channel your inner peace. Pizza. Channel your inner pizza. Get it? Channel your inner pizza. Thank you so much for watching. If you try this at home, Please comment below. Let me know how this recipe works for you, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment below. As a certified nutrition consultant, I will be happy to discuss things with you. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.